Get ready to elevate your space with Cozyology. In this video, we'll guide you through the easy steps to install our cordless handwoven shades for outside mount. Handwoven shades are an excellent way to bring the natural charm and warmth of natural fibers into your home, enhancing your living space with both timeless style and practical functionality. The installation kit contains 1 handwoven shade, 8 screw sets, 2 wing nuts, 2 mounting brackets, and 8 wall plugs. For wider shades, additional brackets are provided to ensure a secure and stable installation. Everything you need for a smooth setup is included. Here's what you need for the installation. You'll need a metal tape measure, a pen, a drill, and a screwdriver. Let's begin. Step 1. Mark and drill holes. Hold the handwoven shade at your desired height, using the slot on the head rail as a guide to mark the bracket installation spots. Generally, mount the brackets 1 to 2 inches away from the ends of the slot. Make sure the brackets are level and properly aligned. Then, drill pilot holes at the marked screw positions. Make sure the holes are evenly aligned before moving on to the next step. Step 2. Install the brackets. Align the brackets with the drilled holes and secure them using the provided screws. Step 3. Install the shade with the front side facing you. Lift the shade into the bracket bolts until they are visible through the headrail slot. Twist the wing nuts tightly onto the bracket bolts to secure the shade in place. Now that everything is in place, pull the shade down and lift it back up to ensure it functions properly. Perfect! Your new handwoven shades are ready to go.